Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm gonna make some garlic shrimp noodles. Yes, so these are all of my ingredients. Here I have some chili seed and I'm using half teaspoon. I also have some onion powder, half teaspoon, some smoked paprika, half teaspoon, 5 cloves of garlic. These are some of my other seasoning that I have. Here I have half teaspoon of all-purpose seasoning, half teaspoon of black pepper, half teaspoon of Chinese 5 spice, and half teaspoon of my ginger powder. Okay. I also have some brown sugar, and that's 1 tablespoon. Some dark soy sauce, at least just over 1 tablespoon. And these are my egg noodles, and you can use whichever one you have. These are my shrimp. I'm using at least 15 shrimp. You can use as much as you like. Also gonna add some spring onions, and this is at least 2 stalk, okay, a scallion. Guys, I'm telling you, this recipe right here is gonna be super delicious. Don't forget to share this video to your families, to your friends, and everyone on your social media. I will really appreciate it. Okay, thank you all. Stay tuned. I'm also gonna add some garlic powder, and that's half teaspoon. Okay, yes. So guys, now what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna blend all my seasoning together, and I'm just gonna add it to one bowl. Okay, just blend it all. Then I'm gonna mix it all in. You want everything to combine, just like so. You can smell the Chinese 5 spice. It smells so good. So that's done. Guys, I'm gonna season my shrimp. And guys, these shrimp are pre-cooked, okay? I'm gonna add at least 2 teaspoons of my olive oil. Oops. You see that? Then I'm just gonna add my seasoning. And I'm not gonna add all of it. I'm gonna leave back some for my noodle, okay? Yeah, that's it. Then I'm gonna take my spoon and just mix it all in, so everything will all combine. And guys, I'm gonna also crush one of my garlic and add it to my shrimp. Just like so. You can always cut your garlic with a knife instead of a garlic crusher. They look amazing, guys. Nicely seasoned. I'm just gonna put it to the side. So guys, my remaining garlic that I have, I'm just gonna crush it in my garlic crusher, because I want them to finely chop. Yeah, just like so. So guys, this is what my garlic look like after I crush it in my garlic crusher. Yeah. So guys, here I have my pot and my stove, and to my pot I add at least just over 1 tablespoon of my olive oil. You can always use vegetable oil. And now that my oil and my pot is all heated up, I'm gonna add my shrimp and I'm gonna fry it for at least 2 minutes on each side. Okay? Yes. They smell so good. So guys, I did add all my shrimp all at once. I'm just gonna add these one and then I add the remaining, okay? So now I'm just gonna flip it over. It's been 2 minutes. They're nice and brown. So now I'm going to remove them. So guys, all my shrimp is all fried. So now what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna add my garlic to the same pot that I fry my shrimp. Okay, just like so. Just gonna leave it for at least 10 seconds. So just after 10 seconds, this is what it look like. So what I'm gonna do, guys, this is the same bowl that I use to season my shrimp. And what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna add at least ½ cup of water to that bowl, just like that. Then I'm gonna add my dark soy sauce. Gonna give it a stir. Then I'm gonna add it just like so. I'm gonna add my brown sugar and all my remaining seasoning, and you can always taste it to your liking, okay? Give it a stir. So now I'm gonna cook my noodle, guys. I'm gonna add at least 1 teaspoon of my salt onto my water, and I add at least 6 cups of hot water, okay? Give it a stir. Then I'm gonna cook my noodle, guys, for at least 8 minutes, okay? You don't want to overcook it. Gonna just half cover my pot so it doesn't boil over. So guys, I leave it for it to come to a boil for at least 2 minutes, and this is what it look like. What I'm gonna do, I'm gonna add at least 1 teaspoon of my cornstarch just to thicken it up a bit. You want to make sure that your stove is on a low heat, okay? This is what it look like. It's looking super delicious. So now I'm gonna add my noodle because they're all finished, okay? They finished cook. Just like so. Now I'm just gonna mix it all in. Look at all that goodness, guys. It's looking super delicious. I'm gonna add some more of my dark soy sauce just to give it some more color. At least 3 to 4 teaspoons. And I'm gonna also add some of my Jamaican jerk marinate, wet marinate from the bottle. I'm gonna add at least ½ teaspoon. And I have a video on my channel on how I make it. And guys, the reason why it look a bit more darker because I end up add browning, okay? Instead of the dark soy sauce, I add some browning. So now I'm gonna add my shrimp. Look at that, guys. Super delicious. You wanna mix it all in. I'm gonna add my chili seed. I'm gonna add my scallions. Gonna mix it all in, and it is ready, guys. Good to go. So guys, it is all finished, and this is what it look like. I'm telling you, honestly, it came out perfect. It is so flavorful and so delicious. Guys, this recipe right here is a must try. Don't forget, guys, to share. Please share this video to your families, to your friends, and everyone on your social media. I will really appreciate it. Don't forget to give me a big thumbs up, okay? Thank you all so much. Honestly, guys, I work so hard just to get these videos for you guys. So please continue to share these videos that I put out. I appreciate it so much. Okay, thank you all. Much love. So now, guys, as you can see, I'm just plating it all up. Oh my goodness, honestly, this is like food prawn. I mean, just look at the color. Oh my gosh, it looks so good. Guys, if you try this recipe, don't forget to comment below and tell me what it's like. Okay, I'm telling you, this recipe right here is a must try. Your families, your friend, everyone is gonna enjoy it. I'm just adding some parsley on top, which is totally optional, just for presentation. Guys, I thank you all so much for watching this video. I hope you guys do enjoy it. Until next time, bye. Don't forget to keep laughing, keep smiling, no matter what, as God is always on your side. Bye, guys. Much love.